After living on carrots and celery for a week, he finally lost 3 pounds. Is he finally lost 3 pounds the cause or the effect? Let's answer this question using the what, why method. With this method, we ask ourselves, what happened in this sentence and why did it happen? The main event in this sentence is he finally lost 3 pounds. This is our what. Why did he lose 3 pounds? Because he lived on carrots and celery for a week. This is our why. Once we've established the what and why of our sentence, we can use the rule that the what is the effect and the why is the cause. In this case, we have already established that he finally lost 3 pounds is our what, and is therefore our effect. Therefore, we can say the answer to our question is B, effect or result.